How to use the textbook request form. Hello, students. Today we will show you how to use the textbook request form. To access the textbook request form, go to apachecollege.org. On the home page, scroll down to find the current academic term resources. Here, look for the Textbooks Now Available section. There is a link underlined for your convenience. Click that to bring you to the request form. Or in your TOCC email account, please look for an email saying, "Textbook request form available now," and ensure it is for the current semester term. Any other term request forms will not work. Click the link provided in the email to be redirected to a Google Forms page. This page is where your textbook requests will be made. Fill out the form appropriately with your information as needed. Classes listed under the Open Educational Resources (OER) section do not require you to request a textbook with this form. Any educational materials needed for those courses will be provided by the instructor. Please be sure to review your course schedule and compare it to the OER list to ensure your textbook requirements are being met. After reviewing the OER section, you can click on the Next button at the bottom of the page to continue. On this page, you will find a list of courses that require a textbook. Be sure to review your course schedule, identify the course codes you'll need, and make your selection. The title of the textbook used for the class is listed after the course code, along with a listed price. Tribal members taking classes with the San Carlos Apache College will receive their textbooks free of charge. So please do not worry about the listed textbook prices, but do ensure you take good care of the books as you use them. After making your selection of textbooks, scroll down and select how you would like to receive your textbooks. If you are having them mailed to you, please fill in your mailing address information along with your phone number. Select your preferred contact method, then double-check all of your selections and provided information on the form. When you feel confident about your selections, you can click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to finalize your request. This concludes our How to Use the Textbook Request Form instructional video. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to comment below or reach out to our team at any time. Our college front desk phone number is 928-475-2016, and our IT phone number is 928-413-1968. Also, be sure to utilize the provided contact information listed on the textbook request form for more specialized help on the topic. Thank you for learning with us today, and we look forward to teaching you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone.